Hi guys, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell. That way you'll be notified every time your girl upload a video. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you for staying loyal and being part of the E-Squad. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a Skims unboxing. I'm also going to be trying them on for you guys as well. But, so I kind of wanted to do 2 in 1, if that makes sense. So, I'm just go ahead and get right into it. So I can say with her packaging, now I did open one just to do like a little sneak peek but this one I didn't open. I did open this one, but what I like about her packaging is when she sends it to you, I like that it is in a box like this, because before, when Kylie first started her lip kit, selling her lip kits and stuff, and then like the outside of the box used to say what it was, and a lot of the packaging used to be getting stolen or whatever. And you know, because if you know, can't trust everybody that does deliveries. Can't trust everybody at all. But packages used to get stolen, so I think that I like that it's in a box like this. I know a lot. I was watching other reviews and I saw a lot of people saying that they don't care for her packaging, like they wish it was like in a clear box. I actually like it like this because I know I'm gonna get my stuff because nobody knows what's in this box. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open up the box. So when you open it, it does say Skims on the box, and then it has the Skim, well they got it upside down, but it's the Skims covered like this. Now this is my first time seeing everything. Like I said, I did do like a little sneak peek because I opened the box to see it, and I was like, you know what? I ain't gonna cheat. I ain't gonna cheat. I'm gonna wait. I ain't gonna cheat. So, I don't even know which. Okay, these. I think these are the. Let me. I forgot what I ordered, girl. Okay, so this is the cotton rib. I ordered the color bone and the color soup. S-O-O-T. So the bone color is white and then the soup color is black, and I ordered the top and the bottom in both. So as you saw, they came packaged up like that. I'll show you guys. And oh, I didn't have to go back on there. It's listed on here, you know. Let me see. I'm excited to try them on. Okay. Seems like it's really stretchy. I got mine in a medium. I think I got everything in a medium. In a medium. And I'm gonna show you. Oh, I'm so excited to try these on. So I like the little band. I'm excited to try them on for you guys to actually talk to really see how they fit. I wanted to show you guys both with how they look on and with how they look with taking out the package. Ooh, I like this color. Now the bone color is not white. It's literally like a cream color. And they seem like they're very stretchy. So I'm glad I got a medium. Let's just hope they fit me the right way. And then are the ones in bone. Now bone look like it's gonna be real see-through. I don't know, I gotta put it on. Bone look like it's gonna be real see-through, but yeah. So that was these. The one sets that I'm really excited about most is the bodysuit or the bodysuits. Now these I have not opened. I mean, when you look at my scissors, it comes like this. You see Skims on the box. And this one, ooh, did they send me two? This is one. I think that they sent me two. And I actually wanted like the little Skims bag, so I ordered that too. And say, I guess if you wanted to gift somebody, really good quality, like a really good quality bag. So I like this. I could have swear I ordered one, but I guess they gave me two. Okay. But yeah, thought it was cute, so I ordered these as well. Cool. I could probably use these for my thumbnail. Okay, didn't even think about that. Okay, so this is cute. So I guess when you order the bodysuits, this is the essential bodysuit. It comes in a box, which is, and I ordered this one in a large slash extra large, only because I didn't want it to be like tight in this area. I still wanted some room to breathe. And this, okay, let me see how this fits. I'm gonna see how this fits. Now I can say this is just my preference. For the dollar amount that she wants for this, I don't know. I mean, I have to try it on, but as far as just packaging it, it just seemed like this is once again the crew neck sleeveless bodysuit. But yeah, it's an essential bodysuit. We're gonna see. It just seemed like a really good spandex material. So this one is the crew neck. And then I have the mock neck as well. And then I got this one in the size also large slash extra large, because like I said, I didn't want it to be too tight at the bottom for me. So yeah, and it seems like it's real stretchy. Now this one I like. It seems like it's kind of more cut clean. This one, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm gonna get close up. Hopefully you guys can see. You see how it's like, I don't know how I feel about that. Like, it looks like it's meant like I cut it myself or something. So the dollar amount she wants for these, yeah. And this one is the tank body suit. Oh, okay, so I like the material of the tank one better than the essential bodysuits. Okay, so this one I can get jiggy with. And I got this one. Now I did get this one in a medium. Oh Lord. Okay, yeah, it pops. Oh Lord. It seemed like it stretched more too. A little bit. Okay, so I got this one in a medium. Because I do plan on losing weight, so I didn't want to get all of them in. Which I don't think these will matter because of the material that they are. So I didn't want to get all of them in like a large and an extra large when I know that I'm planning on losing weight. Well, I'm in the process of losing weight, but so I think I got these two in the medium, and these are the tank bodysuit. This color, ochre. I don't know, I'm probably saying that wrong. I have, like I said, I have everything listed as I'm trying it on. I'm just showing you guys like the unboxing part of it, and also with me, like my first impression of saying that I love this color. Like I love anything like a blush. I feel like a blush color looks really good on my skin tone, like on my complexion. I think this is gonna be by my favorite one. But I do like this type of neck better because it's more stitched and it's like this. Also, this is also a size medium. Yeah, so these two in the medium. And that's all I got. That's the unboxing. And yeah. But I like them. These are definitely worth the price. What are the name of these? I know the Essential bodysuit. I have to try it on, but I don't think I'm too crazy about it because I just don't like the blunt cut. I don't like it. It just looks like, this one is more neat, but it just seemed like, I don't know. And then the stitching over here, like look at this. I didn't even see this at first. But how the stitching is, like right here, if you guys could see that. I don't know. I just feel like for the price of these, it could have been something a little more better. I mean, I understand it's Kim Kardashian, but girl, like, I need my coins just like you need yours. But we gonna see. I can tell you now, I'm gonna love these. I love like, you could be, I feel like you can wear these in the house, and you can also wear these like outside, like throw a jacket on or whatever. Like you can, cause it's pants. That's why I got the pants versus the shorts, because if I'm gonna spend that kind of money on it, I wanna be able to wear it in the house and outside the house, like if I'm running to Walmart or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna try these on, but this was my first impression on the unboxing part of it. And yeah. Well, that's it for the Skims review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and click on the subscribe button, and see you all in my next video. Bye.